Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is on surds. So here we have our first problem, and it says write the square root of 32 in the form of k root 8. So in this we're told that we need to find two things that go into 32, and because it says k root 8 here, we know that one of them is going to be 8. So our first step is to do 32 divided by 8. Now if we write out our 8 times tables, we're going to get 8, then we're going to get 16, 24, 32. So that means 8 goes into 32 4 times. But because it's a surd, we need the square root of 4 to give us k. So the square root of 4 is going to be 2. So if we're going to write the square root of 32 in the form of k root 8, that's going to give us 2 root 8. So here we have our second problem, and it says write root 40 in the form of k root x. Now this is a bit trickier because it doesn't give us one of the options. So our first thing to do is write out all the ways we can make 40. So 40 we can make by timesing together 1 and 40, timesing together 2 and 20, timesing together 4 and 10, and 8 and 5. And those are our 4 options. So what we've got to think is which one is our highest square number. Now 1 and 40, yes, 1 is a square number, but there will be higher options, so we're going to cross this one out because it can't be 1 and 40. 2 and 20, neither of those are square numbers, so we'll cross that out as well. 4 and 10. Now 4 is a square number, so this could be one of our options, so we'll put a circle around that. And then 8 and 5, neither of those are square numbers, so we can cross that out. So our answer to our surd is going to be 4 and 10. But we need to think which way we're going to do that. So this is going to mean 40, unsimplified, is going to be 4 times 10. And the square root of that all. Now if we try and square root 4, that's going to give us 2. So we can take that outside of the square root. But if we try and square root 10, that's going to give us a decimal because it hasn't got a whole integer as its square number. So it's going to be 2 root 10. And that is root 40 in the form of k root x. Please be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below any future video ideas which I can make to help you guys. Also be sure to check out my social medias, which are all in the description box below.